Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I just wanted to do a Valentine's look together. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. All right, cool. So I'm figuring, girl, it is Valentine's Day. I wanted to try to put these bad boys on. I don't know if I'm going to be successful. So you know how I feel about red, girl. I'm not a red kind of girl. I really don't even have any red clothing, not even a top. I did go look a few days ago. Not having it. I forget about red lip smack and stickeroonies. So I figured, let's zhuzh up the eyes, shall we? Now, these two little lovers from ColourPop right here have always been like my go-to for Valentine's Day. So it is the ColourPop All That, which is so beautiful. I mean, come on. Does that not scream Valentine's Day? Isn't that gorgeous? And of course, the one and only, truly, madly, deeply. Oh, it's so pretty. Look how beautiful. Look how so pretty. And since I am wearing a black top with these cute little sheer sleeves, look how cute that is. I figured, let's just mix and match. No idea what we're going to come up with. No friggin' clue. So I figured we would use these. So let's get the handy dandy taperoonie right here. And let's get started. I'm like so excited because now that I found this little tape, I think I'm getting more daring, if you will, with my eyes, which I really love. So my thought process is to have like a really nice, like smoky eye with a nice nude lip. Girl, you know, I love a nude lip. What can I tell you? So, we're going to have to speed this up because there's so many other products that I want to, use. So. Okay, so this is it for the eyes for now. Ooh, that is so pretty. Totally out of my comfort zone, but it is awfully pretty. Ooh, you know what I'm going to do? Well, we'll not do that yet. I think I'm going to put this Risque over here. It's got like it's like really subtle pink. Can you see that right over here? I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Ooh, look how pretty that is, right? Can you see that? I'm going to pull back. A lot of lights today. A lot of lights. Ooh, that's so nice. All right, let's pull this away. This is so friggin' pretty. Ooh, you know what? That's real. Oh, look what I did. Wasn't long enough. So, of course, we're going to clean that up. And you could just clean it with your finger, girl. That is so pretty. I normally do not wear black eyeliner. I think for this occasion, I think black would go well. So I've been dying to grab this. I actually saw a video that Lisa J did a few days ago using this underneath her foundation. I'm like, damn, I have that. And I always forget to grab it. This is the Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. So, oh my gosh, I have glitter all over my hands, girl. We don't want this all over our face. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just put it in the palm of my hand. That's about 3 pumps right there. So I think I'm going to just use my hands. Oh, this feels so damn good. How beautiful this glow is. It's so freaking pretty. Ooh. P.S. You do not need 3 pumps. That is beautiful. Beautiful, girl. Still, I'm in love with the Makeup by Mario. This is his Surreal Skin Foundation in 8N. It is gorgeous. So I'm going to just I think I want to just do 1 pump because I've noticed that, that the 2 pumps is a little bit too much. By the way, we are going out to dinner, just somewhere local. And, oh man, I have glitter all over my face. Well, that's okay. If not today, when, right? I'm going to just take my sponge. You guys know that lately I have been liking like a lighter layer, if you will. Isn't that interesting? I went back on some videos because I was looking for something the other day, and it's so interesting how your tastes change. Like I would have never, like I thought back about like the L'Oreal tinted serum, and like even like I want to say the NARS. Like for me, the NARS foundation, it gives me like a nice light, I don't want to say sheer, but lighter coverage. I would have never liked that. I'm going to just take the rest of it and take it down my neck. I would have never like enjoyed that a few years back. I wanted like full coverage, and girl, I'm 55, so a couple years back I was 50, you know, but I still like fuller coverage. Not anymore. This is so beautiful. Look how pretty that is, right? Oh my gosh, that is so freaking nice. That is beautiful. Yes, ma'am. Beautiful. Going in with the Charlotte Tilbury concealer. Girl, you know how much I love this product. And I'm going to just lightly. But anyway, so we're going to a local place where we live. And it's nice. It's really good, like rustic Italian food that I really love. You know, girl, I am a first generation. So when people are like, oh, I found this great Italian restaurant. And normally, like, if I go out to an Italian restaurant, which we do quite a bit, I never order like the Italian, like I'll order like a fish because I don't really make, I mean, I do make fish. I make fish maybe like once or twice a week, but you know, girl, it's broiled, lemon, salt, pepper, broiled, lemon, salt. I mean, so if when they have like a nice like bronzino or something like that, girl, I'm on it. This is so pretty. Going in with the NARS, you know, this is one of my absolute favorite. This is the NARS Sun-Kissed Bronze and Cream in Laguna, the original one. Now, you know, I don't like smells, but this smells so damn good. I'm going in with the butt of the sponge. That, to me personally, that is my favorite way of putting on a cream bronzer. But look at that. I like barely tapped into it. This is so freaking good. I did do a ranking of cream bronzers last year, I think, which I really should like do another one. Was it last year? Maybe 2 years ago? I don't remember. And this was my number one. This was my number one. And I haven't grabbed it in a while because so many new products have come out. But now that I'm grabbing it, girl, you're still number one. It's still number one. It's beautiful. Look at that. How nice. Girl, I learned my lesson. I usually take my creams under here and then I forget to blend them. Or like I don't blend them out all the way. Can you tell me? Can you let me know? Can you go? Can you go? So I just did a little bit. I like to line my mouth / without giving myself a mustache. That's tricky. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm going to just go in with the Sigma bronzer. This is still one of my favorites. This is the matte bronzer in medium. So nice. So nice. I'm going to just go over. You know what? I'm going to stop right there. Do I have anything cream? Yeah, you know what? I have this cream blush. You know how I feel about it, girl? It was in last month's favorite. The Natasha Denona My Dream Cheek Trio. Grab the Rare Beauty. This is their new highlighter in Enlightening. I think it's so friggin' gorge. Yeah, so pretty. I take this powder, which I love. I'm gonna go underneath the brow because you know I don't like any kind of highlighter underneath my brow, especially with this nice eye right now. Oh, that is so nice, isn't it? And then I want to smoke this little lover out. I'm going to smoke it out with my favorite brush. I can't find it, so I'm going to smoke it out with, this is the BK Beauty 209. This is one of her newer brushes, and I think I'm going to smoke it out with this Made to Last. That's pretty. Nice, just like a light brown. Oh, that is so nice. Isn't that beautiful? I want to go in tight line. This is the Wayne Goss, which I love. These are his kohl pencils. This one is the Essential Eye Kohl Pencil in Obsidian. Let me just swatch it for you. It's beautiful. What I like about it is because it's a kohl, and I'm gonna tight line. It bleeds into my waterline, which I kind of like that look when I'm looking for a look like that. You know what I mean? It looks really sultry. So I think this is gonna pair out well. And then I think I'm gonna go right above it. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so you can tell I just tight lined, and then as I'm talking and as I'm blinking, like immediately it bleeds into the waterline. Then I'm going to take one of my itty bitty pencils right over here. This is the BK Beauty pencil, and I just like to take it off the tip right here, because girl, I cannot do wing liners on top to save my life. I have to do it from the bottom, but it comes out cute. I think it comes out cute. I mean, look at how cute. I'm not looking for much. And plus, with these eyelashes, I hope, I pray, I don't even think you're going to see it. Oh, damn, that looks so freaking cute, right? So, so nice. Okay, cool. I think with the same little brusharoonie, I'm going to take like this shimmery color right here. It's called The Feels. You see it's got a little bit of shimmer. And I think I'm going to go like right above. Not too much, girl, because I don't have that much lid space. That's so pretty. Look how much of a difference that makes. Just that tiny, tiny, itty bitty move. That is so friggin' nice. Ooh, I love that. Okay. Let's friggin' do it. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to like do it real time. But we're going to try. We're going to try. Okay, I have to bring the big guns in. I'm going to bring the big guns in. Oh. So this is my Ricky tool. I'm going to just put the light on just a little bit. And I'm going to just curl my lashes, girl. I'm going to just put, you know how much I've been loving this L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. No, I haven't tried the other one yet, but I did buy it. We're going to review some new products soon. Okay, I just put a tiny bit on. I believe I've cut these already. These are the Kiss 03s. I don't know, girl. I do not know. Let's see. I mean, I guess that could be cute. Okay. I'm going to just swirl it. I like to use the glue liner like pencil. I'm going to just line my upper lashes. You know, not the lash, but real close to the lashes. I do like to just line this a little bit. I don't know if it's really on there. I like to do it anyway. Okay, I think that looks pretty stinking good, right? Except for like right in here, but I can just fill this in right here, right? Right? I mean, I think it's a little bit picking up right over there. I think they're way too much. But, you know, hey, it's Valentine's Day. Girl, I'm going to have to step off and do the other one because I'm already sweating. I'll be right back. Okay, I think they look so damn good, right? Doesn't it look so nice? Ooh, so nice. I think they're a little bit too much for me, but you're gonna be all right, girl. You're gonna be okay. So now that that is all done, let's do the lower lashes. Now, you know I don't like to dip in here like freshly for the lower lashes because I don't like that much mascara underneath. Damn, that looks so good, doesn't it? Okay, cool. Let's do the lip smack and stick. So we have enough zhuzh on the eyes. I think so, right? Let's do the lips. Girl, we're going to keep it a la naturel. I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat and Iconic Nude. And just smoothing it out a little bit. I hope this is not out of stock. This is the Christian Odette and Mel Thompson Lipstick in Beauty. I have been loving it. It's so beautiful. I mean, look at that. That is like the perfect pink, in my opinion. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. Let me just take a look real quick, Aruni. Ooh, that is so nice. So nice. I just want to go in with my blush brush just to put a little bit more on the cheeks right here. Wow, that is so pretty. Okay, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it came out so pretty. You know, with everything on, I think the lashes are really nice. At first, I'm like, girl, they are so big. I guess I could cut them a little bit here so they don't go so far in here. But I'm not a professional. But it looks so nice, right? What do you guys think? So that is it. This is my makeup look for Valentine's Day. What do you guys think? I hope you guys have a great time no matter who you're with, or if you're home with a bag of potato chips watching a great movie. Whatever you guys are doing, enjoy yourselves. Have a great time. You do not need a significant other to be in love, to show love, to be love, or to just be loving. So anyway, you guys have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.